In this video, I will show you the best secret codes on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to start, just open the dialer app on your Samsung phone. Now for the first secret code, just dial *#06#. And with this code, you will be able to show the IMEI number of your Samsung phone. As you can see, these are the IMEI numbers, the EID, and the serial number of our Samsung phone. Now for the second code, just dial *#0*#. And by doing that, you will go to this page from where you will be able to check all the hardware of your Samsung phone. As you can see, if you tap on red, you will be able to check the display of your Samsung phone. Now if you tap on vibration, you will be able to check the vibration motor of your Samsung phone. And similarly, you can test the touch screen and all the other hardware of your Samsung phone. Now let's go back. Now for the third secret code, just dial this #31#. Now after that, just enter the phone number which you want to call. Now if you enter this code before dialing the phone number, you will be able to hide your number for a single call. As you can see, if I tap on dial, then if I select SIM1, as you can see, it is saying hide outgoing caller ID. And these are the best secret codes on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.